Yep. Whoa! Here he comes. Yeah. Isn't it funny how a day pans out? Hi, I'm Gavin Hurley from Pro Angler. Welcome to another episode of On the Fly. Today we're going to take you to the Hawke's Bay area of New Zealand's North Island. We'll show you what trout fishing for browns and rainbows can be really like. It's a little different to Australia. We rely on sight fishing. You'll spot the fish, cast to it and hopefully catch it. And when things go right, this is how a day can turn out. So sit back and I hope you really enjoy the show.
Hawke's Bay is located on the east coast of New Zealand's North Island. And flying into Napier, a short drive south finds us in amongst some of the best trout water you'll find anywhere. Gav caught up with Dave Hearn and John Farrell from Dave Hearn Hunting and Fishing. We always recommend catching up with a local guide when new to an area for the best results, but Gav couldn't have had any idea as to how good those results were about to be.
Yep. Just got one just here, just in on the edge of this fast water. Been a couple starting to rise too, but I've left the nymph on for a second.
Sight fishing the rivers in New Zealand is all about teamwork, and by far the most effective way to fish it in most circumstances is by use of a spotter on high ground, telling you about the fish's movements, where you need to land your fly, and most importantly, calling the take.
That's it. It's one of those things you spend a lot of time walking and looking and, you know, tying on flies and all that sort of stuff. You don't want to ruin it by rushing it in the last couple of minutes. But they're all just good, solid fish. I mean, they just don't give in. They just pump, pump, pump. And they get in a little bit of this fast current. I think, mate, there's a fair bit of pressure and he's still going. Righto. I'll get his head up in a sec. Beautiful. Excellent.
Well done, that net.
Easy to work with a good netter.
Good angler makes a difference.
Yeah. This ball's a muscle. Just never want to give in.
Yeah, good shoulders. Gets a bit of depth in it later on. That'll be 5.5, 6.
Yep, yep. It's his current and away he goes. Bang.
Well
Excellent.
done,
Well done again. Thanks, mate.
Gav had barely had a chance to get his breath back when, sitting just metres from where the rainbow had been, they found a brown in a back eddy facing downstream.
About here. About here.
Yeah.
The tufts of grass, the boulder back towards you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Righto.
You're going to have to give yourself plenty of slack line.
More than that.
Yeah, you've still 10 feet to go. Now lift it up and do it again. That's good. Go!
Yeah. Righto. No. Yeah.
The nymph had actually trailed out below it and just snapped
Snapped
it.
it. No. Beautiful. Yeah. But they're just beautiful. Obviously you can see there was a little back eddy and we couldn't actually see, but again that higher bank where Dave could actually see the fish take it. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. Still a good fish, probably about £3. But the difference there, that fight's probably taken, I don't know, 3 minutes. Whereas the rainbow, we're still going 10 minutes. How big is that? 3.5. 3.5. Yeah, still beautiful, nice big head on the fish. Beautiful colours again, they're just so huge, big tail too. That's going to be something, living in this fast water. Put him back and see if we can't find another one. Magnificent. Beautiful. Excellent.